training sergeant in the Toronto Police Mounted Unit. I've been on this unit for 21 years, and I have the luxury of working with these beauties on a daily basis. So as the training sergeant of this unit, I took this course back in 2017, and I found it invaluable in that I continued the practice. I brought some of the techniques back home, and I trained the officers here in the unit. But I just don't think that you get a true value unless you're moving something of a horse's size. So to be able to come here and use the tools and operations and all the systems and the expertise of the trainers that come from equine golf, I thought that whole thing was invaluable for our unit. I think that this type of training for a mounted police service is ideal. Being in the front line, we get called to most traffic accidents, rollovers, barn fires, anything like that. Anything that has to do with horses, our unit is one of the first units called. So anytime that we can have additional training that will help our officers and provide a better understanding of how difficult and the tools needed in order to deal with the situation today. I think this type of training is invaluable for first responders. We're often called to scenes, accident rollovers, barn fires, anything like that. We have the fortune here at the Mounted Unit being able to work with horses, but not every service has that, not every fire department has that. I've had the luxury of being able to invite the Toronto Fire Down and the local divisions here in Toronto just to give them more of a horse management idea and feel of what it's like to deal with these animals on a regular basis, and that doesn't include what would happen in an emergency.